Happy Sunday, everyone! Today I'm craving lafidi. Lafidi is a dish we cook in Guinea and other African countries. We call it lafidi. However, there's several names to it. But anyway, let's get right into it. Here are my ingredients: shrimp, some eggplants, palm oil, and other vegetables. Here I'm cutting the eggplant to get it ready to boil. So I'm peeling it so it's easy to just blend. And here I am peeling, cutting it to make it easy to get inside the blender. And next we put it in the boiling water to let it boil. I'm going to be adding other vegetables here, some peppers and non-spicy, just taking the seeds out and cutting them, and here they go right into the boiling water, mixing them with the eggplants that I had put in the water earlier. And here they go, boiling, sprinkling some salt, and there they go, ready, boiled and ready to be blended. Yes, I can't wait. Anyway, there goes the vegetables. I'm putting them in the blender. I'm going to be blending them shortly. There they go, blending. I boiled the okra, very good vegetable. It helps actually with the digestive system to help you, avoid constipation. I think it works for me. But anyway, here we go, blending the okra with the rest of the vegetables. And now to the next step, protein time. Here's the palm oil, some onions, and I'm adding the shrimps to the oil, frying them a little bit. They're already cooked, so just to give it some flavor. And that's ready. We're going to pour the blended vegetables, okra and eggplants, and sprinkle some habanero pepper. I like my food spicy. And we're done. Quick meal. Here it is. My daughter eats rice. I eat quinoa, which is less in carbs. And the shrimps, a little seasoning. And there you go. There you have it. Enjoy your Sunday. Thanks for watching.